how you can unfriend all the friends in Facebook just by one click. Listen, Facebook doesn't let you do this. There's no such option on Facebook to unfriend all the friends in one click. But I have developed an automated way with the help of Claude AI. I asked Claude AI to write a simple code for me. Let's see. I copy the code and I simply paste it here, and you see first it's clicking the three dot menus for all the people, and three dot menu has appeared. Then it will start clicking unfollow or unfriend option. In fact, unfriend option has been hidden because of many dialog box at a time. So yeah, see, now it's clicking unfriend option and clicking the confirm button. Yeah, it's clicking the confirm button. So by this way it will unfriend hundreds of or thousands of friends at a single run, and I have shared the code in the description. Here is the conversation with Claude. I just needed few prompt and refined the output. So I am also sharing the chat history of Claude so you can see details. Thank you.